Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video, we will discuss the tone rules for a syllable ending with a long vowel sound. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. Every syllable in Thai has one of 5 tones. The tone of a syllable is not arbitrary but determined by tone marks or tone rules. The tone marks have a higher priority, so the tone rules only apply when there is no tone mark in the syllable. In this video, we will look at the tone rules for a syllable ending with a long vowel sound. The tone rules based on live and dead syllables will be discussed in an upcoming video. A syllable beginning with a low-class consonant and ending with a long vowel sound is in the middle tone. For example, ma, meaning to come. The word ma has one syllable that begins with the low-class consonant ma and ends with the long vowel sara. Ma. A syllable beginning with a middle-class consonant and ending with a long vowel sound is in the middle tone. For example, meaning father's younger brother or sister. The word has one syllable that begins with the middle-class consonant or ang and ends with the long vowel sara. It is because of this tone rule that the long vowels in the Thai alphabet are pronounced in the middle tone, the middle-class consonant or ang being the standard consonant used to write the vowels in the alphabet. So we say sara with in the middle tone. A syllable beginning with a high-class consonant and ending with a long vowel sound is in the rising tone. For example, ka, meaning leg. The word ka has one syllable that begins with the high-class consonant kokai and ends with the long vowel sara. Ka. The low and middle-class consonants in the Thai alphabet, by the way, are pronounced in the middle tone, while the high-class consonants are pronounced in the rising tone because of these tone rules, the vowel or with which the consonants are pronounced being a long vowel. This vowel is not written next to the consonant in the alphabet. If we wrote it, it will look like this: mo for ma, o for ang, and ko for kai. Mo and o are in the middle tone, while ko is in the rising tone. Those are the tone rules for syllables ending with a long vowel sound. We can summarize by stating that a syllable that does not have a tone mark and ends with a long vowel sound is in the middle tone, except the syllable begins with a high-class consonant, in which case it is in the rising tone. For example, ma, meaning to come, begins with the low-class consonant ma, and meaning father's younger brother or sister, begins with the middle-class consonant or ang. Both are in the middle tone. On the other hand, we have ka, meaning leg, in the rising tone as it begins with the high-class consonant kokai. All these examples end with the long vowel sara. In upcoming videos, you will encounter more examples of this rule as we learn more consonants and vowels. We will also discuss other tone rules in later videos. I hope this video was helpful. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.